Greetings, greetings, greetings. You ever think about how much something Jesus did suffer for the very people them who him did a dead for? Come make we no make him dead in vain and suffer in vain. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of the people them where you know. And if you not do it yet, where you wait pan, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of the reading them will come out every morning, 5 o'clock Jamaica time. Yeah.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 27 from verse 27 to verse 31. Then the governor soldier them take Jesus, which part the governor live, and call up the other soldier them to gather up around him. Them tear off him clothes and put on one bright red robe upon him. After them make one crown out of MAKABUSH, them put it upon him head. Them put piece of thick in him right hand, and then kneel down in front of him and move like said then they don't want to take him for idiot. Hear them now. Manners and respect to the Jew them king. Them pit pan him and take big thick beat him in him head. Over and over. After them mock him down, them take off the robe and put on back him own clothes. Then them carry him go away, fi nail him upon the cross. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.